Hey guys, I'm Sanglap and I'm back with another video of my virtual assistant Sara. So here is a massive update. Let's go and check it out, and the source code link is in the description. You can check it out. Okay, so let me say what are the updates. So here you can see at first I added I added multiple colors in the console, so it will look attractive. And one thing that now it can launch websites not only the with the only the go to command, but it can launch with the open command, start command, launch command, and other things like it can search for you and it can fetch YouTube result, these things, and it can also greet you or grab image, play music, grab a screenshot, send email, and launch any app available on your PC, these things. And the unique thing was about this is it can organize files which other assistants can't. Okay, so here are some built-in apps which it will open from the directory. Okay, and it can show also Wi-Fi details, IP details, system info, etc. things. It can clear the console. It can shut down your PC on one command. And I have not added the chatbot module, but I have made it like a chatbot, almost chatbot, not totally. So that's all guys, and check it out. So here I am on my console, I mean in my console, and let's go.
Hello, good evening Sanglap. How can I help you? Listening.
Open Instagram.com.
Recognizing. Opening Instagram.com. Listening.
Open Amazon.com.
Recognizing. Opening Amazon.com. Listening.
Search for Siberian Husky.
Recognizing. Searching for Siberian Husky.
Okay.
Listening.
Clear console.
Recognizing. Current console cleared. Listening.
What is the time?
Recognizing. The time is 2026. Listening.
What is the date?
Recognizing. The date is May 31st, 20. Listening.
How is the weather?
Recognizing. Temperature 29 degrees Celsius. Heat index 35 degrees Celsius. Conditions partly cloudy. Relative humidity 84%. Dew point 26 degrees Celsius. Wind speed 0 m/s. 27 minutes ago. Listening.
69 multiplied by 69.
Recognizing. 621. Listening.
Square root of 9.
Recognizing. 3. Listening.
Avengers Wiki.
Recognizing. Searching Wikipedia. According to Wikipedia, the Avengers are a fictional team of superheroes appearing in American comic books published by Marvel Comics. The team made its debut in the Avengers #1, cover dated September. Listening.
Stephen Hawking.
Recognizing. Wikipedia says Stephen William Hawking, January 8, 1942 March 14, 2018, was an English theoretical physicist, cosmologist, and author who was director of research at the Center for Theoretical Cosmology at the University of Cambridge at the time of his death. He was the Lucasian Professor of Mathematics at the University of Cambridge between 1979 and 2009. Listening.
Open Notepad.
Recognizing. Opening Notepad. Listening.
Open Command Prompt.
Recognizing. Opening Command Prompt. Listening.
Open Calculator.
Recognizing. Opening Calculator. Listening.
Launch Photoshop.
Recognizing. Launching Photoshop. Listening.
Clear console.
Recognizing. Current console cleared. Listening.
My system info.
Recognizing. OK, showing your system information. Please wait. Done. Listening.
My Wi-Fi details.
Recognizing. Trying to show details. Listening.
My IP address.
Recognizing. Showing IP details. Listening.
Okay. Clear console.
Recognizing. Current console cleared. Listening.
What is your name?
Recognizing. I am Sara. Listening.
Who are you?
Recognizing. I am Sara, your virtual assistant. Listening.
Who am I?
Recognizing. You are Sanglap. Listening.
Hello.
Recognizing. Hey there Sanglap, how can I help you? Listening.
Play song.
Recognizing. Playing music. Listening.
Grab a screenshot.
Recognizing. Grabbing screenshot. Done. Listening.
Grab image.
Recognizing. Image captured.
Okay, this is my image.
Listening.
Exit.
Recognizing. Bye Sanglap, have a good night.
Okay, because this is the night time, here you can see it 2031, so it bade me good night, and if it was day, if it were day, then it will bade you good day. So that's all guys for this video, and don't worry, the program will be updated, and I hope you have liked the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.